Alright everybody, and here from TechOBS, and today I'll be showing you how you can install Windows 11. And before that, make sure your PC meets the requirements to run Windows 11. And also, the two most important things that Windows 11 needs is TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot. I've already made a video about that, and I'll provide the link in the description to check and see if your PC can run Windows 11 or not, and how to enable TPM and Secure Boot. Okay, now in order to set up Windows 11, it's pretty simple. You need to go to the main website of this from Microsoft, and you need to select Windows 11. Just like it's the same procedure as Windows 10 installation. Now you click on this one, download the installation media, and set it up. And make sure that your pen drive is empty for that. You gotta make sure your pen drive is completely formatted. I mean, is that even the right word? Like, it's clean. Like, you gotta format this, and it should be empty. So Windows could set up that all the files there and create a bootable pen drive. Okay, so you basically agree with the nodes, with the instructions. I mean, with the agreement. Sorry. And now you just gotta wait, and we're about to create. Use the recommended option. You don't have to do anything. You're gonna have to select the USB flash drive to create the bootable file in the pen drive. So we're gonna select this one and click on next, and it will start downloading Windows 11 on your pen drive. You can also save that pen drive or use it when you want to reinstall Windows 11 again, so you know. Alright, once it's done, click on finish, wait for it to clean up the setup, and then we'll move on to the next step. Alright, so now we're gonna restart our PC, and then we're gonna go into BIOS and then select the primary drive for Windows 11, for the Windows 11 installation. Okay, so you want to restart your computer, as I've mentioned before. Click on this and then restart. Now you need to go to BIOS. And by the way, this is already running Windows 11, so I'm just going to do a reinstall Windows. And now, in order to activate the BIOS, there are different keys for it. Mine is the Gigabyte motherboard, so I'm going to press delete. But it's mostly delayed, but if delayed doesn't work, you try pressing F2 or F12, F11, something like that. But mostly it's gonna, the BIOS is gonna come up using the delayed button. Most of you guys were asking me how to get into BIOS. You just simply press delayed button, or you can check the manual on the internet on how to enter BIOS. So now, what you're gonna do is to select the primary drive on where you want to install Windows. So you want to go to BIOS and then boot option. Make sure that boot option 1 is the UEFI, the pen drive that you have installed Windows 11 on. So now we're gonna select this one, and now we're gonna restart the computer. Save and restart. Save configuration and reset, yes. Now it will take us to the Windows 11 setup. Alright, as you can see right here, it's gonna load up. Alright, it takes some time, but it works. So don't freak out. And now we're gonna go select next. Click on install now, unless you want to repair. You know, I'm just gonna do a clean format, no upgrade, no repair, just a clean installation. So I'm gonna click install now. Sorry if the camera is shaky. I know I don't have a proper. My hands are usually shaky, so that's why. Sorry for that. Okay. If you have a key, you can just use it now. But I don't have a product key, so I'm just gonna skip this one. I'm gonna use Windows 11 Pro. Click on, or you can use Home if you're not up to, you know, complicated stuff. So most people just select Windows 11 Pro. So I'm just going to select Windows 11 Pro. Oh, sorry for the shaky. Again, autofocus problem. Okay, agree with it. You know, you don't have to read the whole thing. Now upgrade or custom. I'm gonna select custom, but upgrades will keep your files. Now, so I'm just gonna do clean installation, so I'm just gonna select custom. Now select the drive where you want to install Windows. So if you have like an SSD for your primary system and a hard drive to store all the additional files, so you want to select the SSD. So what you're gonna do is you want to format the SSD. Oh, wait, do I have any important stuff? No, I don't think so. But if you have any important stuff, make sure you have backed up everything on something else, on another computer or another pendrive. So I'm just gonna format everything there is over here. Format, okay. Format, okay. Except for the hard drive. Sorry, not everything, except for the hard drive. And format, okay. Now you want to delete, 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 and delete. Now this is the SSD, which is the unallocated space. This is where you want to install Windows 11. So you just click on new. It'll generate the number. You don't have to worry about that. Click on apply. To ensure that all Windows features work correctly, they will create you know, the MSR, like something, wait, I forgot the name. It's some additional file. MSR, sorry. MSR reserved files and the system files. These are important. You don't want to mess up with these. So just ignore these two and select this one, the primary one, and then click on next. And it will start installing Windows 11. So it'll take some time and I'll be right back after that. Okay, I think it's almost done. It's gonna install the updates and we are good to go. It'll restart, so you can just wait for it or you can just click restart now. And yeah, now you need to go to BIOS again because it's gonna boot up to the pen drive again because we have selected the pen drive as our #1 priority for booting up. But if you have, for mine, it actually changes back to Windows Boot Manager by default. But if yours doesn't change, you can always go to BIOS after the installation and change it, the pen drive to the second option and Windows Boot Manager to the first option. So I'm just gonna skip it. I'm not gonna save anything because mine is already changed automatically. But if yours isn't changed, you want to change that and save it. And now it will automatically go to Windows 11. So it'll take some time, of course. It'll take some time. Sorry for the shaky camera. I should have like used it like in a stable format, in a stable position. Sorry for that. My hands are really shaky. Okay, things are getting ready. It'll take some time, and yeah, I'll let you know. Okay, it just disappeared, but don't worry. The setup is going to appear very soon. I think just restarted again. Okay, so I should be holding it like this because the microphone is on the right side, so you know. Alright. Yeah, it will go through a lot of procedures, but don't worry. Okay, just a moment. Alright, we got Windows 11 on. You heard the startup sound? That's kind of cool. Okay, where's my mouse? Sorry. Where is it? Okay, this is the right country. You just select your country. Click on yes. Is this the right keyboard? You know, just keep clicking yes. No. It's gonna check for updates. Let it check for the updates. You don't have to bother about that. Making sure you have the latest. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Good things coming your way. Probably. I heard there's a lot of bugs. Not sure if they fixed it. They're probably gonna fix it very soon. Alright, it's gonna restart again. Alright. Going back up again. Welcome. Wow, what a reaction time. Okay, you can add a name. I'm just gonna skip this for now. You can just name whatever you want. How would you like to set up? Set up for personal use, or if you're like gonna work office or school, you can select this one. But for me, I'm at home. I'm just gonna select personal use. Okay, so the annoying problem with Windows 11 is that you need to sign in with your Microsoft account. You can't use the offline account like in Windows 10, so that's kind of annoying. So I'll be back after signing up with my Microsoft account. Okay, so once you've written all the information, you click on sign in. Sorry for not showing the whole thing, it's personal stuff. And it's going to tell you to create a pin. I absolutely hate this. I really want to skip this. There is actually a way to skip this. You actually have to like turn off your internet or your Wi-Fi, and then you click on next, and it's gonna create a glitch which gives you access to the part, and it actually skips the part for signing into the Microsoft account. And now you need to create a pin, and make sure you remember that, because you're gonna have to, you can remove that after the setup. So I'm just gonna type something. Okay, so once you're done, you click OK. And now what you want to do is just wait, I guess. Oh, the display changed because I think I installed the drivers. Okay. Restore. I don't want to restore. Set up as a new device. Just skip this location, whatever, diagnostic. Just select no to everything. Just accept. You can skip this. Alright, backup files. No thank you. I'm just gonna click next. No thank you. I'm good with whatever I got. Oh my god, no, I'm gonna skip, man. How many offers do these guys have? Just checking for updates again. Hi. What's up? Getting things ready for you. Okay. Sure. I thought it was already ready. You know? This might take a few minutes. Oh, I like the color though. Looks cool. Alright, please keep your PC on and plugged in. Of course, it is on. Don't need to worry about that. Almost there. Alright. And there we go. Windows 11. Alright, where's my mouse? Sorry. Okay, where's my computer? I really want Microsoft to add the my computer as default. So you don't have to go to display settings. Sorry, it's personalized, and then where is it, by the way? I forgot. I think it's in. Oh, sorry for the autofocus issue. Okay. Theme. Wait, what? It's blank. Okay. Whatever it is. First of all, after you set up Windows, make sure everything is downloading from Windows Update. Make sure you update Windows like instantly after that. So you make sure you download all of these things. It'll take some time, but take your time, you know. Let these things download. Okay, make sure everything is downloading. Oh, I also forgot to show you one thing. While it's updating, you can go to mouse settings. This is actually recommended for those who usually play games a lot, like me. So go to additional mouse settings after that, and then go to pointer option. Uncheck this one. This is mouse smoothing. You don't want that. You're gonna apply. Okay, it just feels much more better now. Alright, so the updates have been downloaded successfully. Now we just gotta restart to take the effect. You're almost there. Please keep your computer on. Don't worry, I got it. Alright, it's restarting to take the Windows update effects. Hopefully it should turn on pretty fast. You just gotta wait. Just be patient, and it's gonna be fine. Alright, it's 200%, and we are going to log in. I know this sucks, but you gotta use the pin that you created before. Do you even remember the pin? Okay. Okay, thankfully, thank God I remember the pin. Okay, I think there's a way to get my computer on desktop. Like, you click on over here, My Files, or Files Explorer, whatever you want to call it. Now, go back over here, and then you will see this one, right? Now, what you want to do is, no, actually, you just gotta hold it and drag it over there, and just, you can rename it using this one, I think, yeah. And you can just rename it to something like, I usually name it to My Computer, because, you know, Windows XP, back in the days of Windows XP, it was My Computer. So now it's in Windows 10, it's this PC, so you can name it whatever you want. But yeah, that's how you add it. Okay, in order to remove the annoying sign-in option, what you need to do is to click on the search bar right over here, and then, sorry for the focus, then click on, click on changing, I think it's this one, right? Changing the sign-in requirements, and I don't think it's over here. I think you're gonna click on account again, and now, I think it's this one. Yeah. Okay. So you need to go over here on accounts. You click over here, and then you go to your info, and then select sign in with a local account. Sorry about that. Now, yep, I want to switch to a local account. Give the PIN as you've written before. Now you can just put whatever name you want to put in. I'm just gonna put over here. Next, and then sign out and finish. Now it'll switch to the offline account, as I've mentioned, but you won't need any kind of sign-in this time. So yeah, I wish they didn't implement the, you know, this login method in Windows 11. If it was like in Windows 10, that would have been better. But yeah, this is how you remove it, and you won't be needing to sign in again. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can format the Pendrive now if you don't want to use the setup anymore after this. And yeah, that is gonna be it. Unfortunately, I don't have a screen recorder here, or else I would have shown the screen a little bit more better. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. This is how you install Windows 11. So make sure you download all the graphics drivers. I mean, Windows already downloaded those, but if you're into gaming stuff, you can download it from the AMD or the NVIDIA website. So yeah, besides that, I think you're pretty much good to go. So yeah, thank you very much for watching.